Well, this came today. This is the Axminster thicknesser planer, and yeah, I'm looking forward to getting to use it. It actually comes on its own pallet, so that'll come in handy, and these are a decent size. Not the biggest of pallets, but still. It's in the box initially. There we go, 330mm. This is heavy, so it takes about, I think it's at 45 kilograms, 40 kilograms. So, not something to be dabbled in lightly. Right. Jeez, that's it is a bit of a thing to lift. See what I mean? You're gonna want a fixed place for that, which I don't, unfortunately, just now. So this is gonna be me. But incredibly well packed. I mean, metal. There's plastic at the side, metal here, plastic there. That's the toolbox. It literally says toolbox. That's the lock, unlock, and that'll be where that little knob goes in here. And this is the thickness you can get it down to. Fuck me. Well, this is a level surface, so what I'm going to do is right, let's go and see the machine. So here's your upfeed table, and you can see here that's the amount of wood that you're going to be taking off. So you can go all the way up to, what is it, 3 or 1/8, or all the way obviously a 0, 5. Right, so why I bought this is it's got the helical heads. So there's no fixed blades, so you've got, I think it says 62 or something, or 26 sharp teeth ready to plane, and it's incredibly powerful, and you can literally just change them when you need. And this is where the smoky vac is going to come on. This is not where smoky vac, this is where the dust extractor goes, I believe. So the handle does come with a screw, so I'm just going to move this up here and get it in from this direction. For this I'm using the provided Allen key. There we go, that was nice and easy. Right, next job, time to see if it comes aligned at the factory settings. And that looks pretty alright to me. Like the bubbles pretty much in the centre. I might have to try and adjust it a wee bit, but it doesn't look like it's off by much. I mean, that's And we need to check acceptable levels, like, but or does this need to? I need to double check everything, but I mean that looks alright to me. Right, I've just set this up to cut this bit of nice board, not a bit of pallet. Should be at 5. So if I put that in there, it goes up to 5. Right, power's on. That's on. That's amazing. Look at the thing. No snipe. Nothing. So, I think what we do is we unlock it. We'll go down one. And then that's unbelievable. Look at the finish on that. Now we're seeing what it can do to a nice bit of wood. Let's have a wee look. What I can do to a bit of pallet wood. So again, I set it up for, it should be about 5. Really good. That is absolutely beautiful. So this is the pallet wood. Oh yeah. That feels absolutely amazing. It's torn out a wee bit there, but that's to be expected. But yeah, look at that. Look, it's smooth. Ah, please. Well, this is an absolute beast of a machine. Honestly, I probably wish I had got one sooner. Obviously I went with the table saw first. Best choice. I then went and got the drill press. Should I have just put my money towards a thicknesser? Probably not, because the drill presses came in really handy. I'm building this workshop up bit by bit. I do need to have further tests of this machine because I've only just got it today. It's about 9 o'clock as well, so it is about time to say no more power tools, unfortunately. But for the first few uses, I mean, this bit of wood's just had one pass. And it's a wee bit rough around the edges there. A wee bit snipe there, I think. What is snipe? But that can get addressed. However, no visible snipe on this side, so it may just be a mark in the wood. So, but however, nice and smooth, and that would have taken me a wee while to plane, and a bit more awkward as well. So, so far, this machine is unreal. The finishes. This has had one pass. This bit of wood's had multiple passes, so maybe a wee bit sanding, but it's making pallet wood look really good. So if I give it a wee bit sanding, straighten the edges out a wee bit, this machine is going to make my life a hell of a lot easier. So the Axminster Professional Thicknesser, the Helix head, it's unreal, £700 or £699 compared to the DeWalt, which doesn't even come with a Helix head. For me, it's a bit of a no-brainer because I was looking at the DeWalt one, but I decided against it because why am I spending? I think it's £1,200. Then I would need to spend another £200 to get the Helix head, and then I need to risk breaking it. Where I could buy this one, it's clearly done the job for me, and the Helix head's already locked in, and I've got 26 blades that can all turn 3 more times before I need to spend £40 or so to replace them all. 4 blades per Helix head is better than having just 2 blades that you can just turn once and that's you done. If you're unlucky to hit a nail twice in that day, you're done. And it also comes with this pallet, which this will be getting planed, trust me. And it comes with a nice thick. I believe they give you this mainly to sport because it is heavy, but maybe they give you this to practice with. But it's really cool that it comes with a pallet. Anyway, this is a longer video than the short, but this isn't the main video on the Axminster Pro Thicknesser. There's probably going to be a lot more videos on it. There are going to be a lot more videos. I've not done full videos on pretty much any of my tools. It's all been shorts. So prepare for workshop videos coming out soon, and hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up button, hit the comments down below to tell me what thicknesser you have, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.